Hello, my name is Angie Maldonado. I am a student of psychology of 6th semester, and today I am going to present you an article about my career. It is about a young lady about 24 years old who discovered that she hasn't cerebellum in her brain. This is a really weird thing for us as psychologists, and I am going to explain you why. First of all, I am going to explain you briefly about the nervous system, the brain, and obviously the functions of the cerebellum, and I really hope you to enjoy this video. Okay, I'm going to start telling you how wonderful the nervous system is. Since I've been studying it, I just can't believe how incredible thing is that a really little mass can control everything about you. It controls your actions, your emotions, your thoughts, your movements, and also all the biological part that happens inside of your body. Here I have a drawing about the cerebrum. Here we can see the frontal lobe. Here we have the temporal lobe, the parietal lobe, and finally the occipital lobe. Now, talking about the cerebellum, we can say it is a little part of the brain that is practically another brain into the nervous system. It is located in the lower back part of the brain and it is independent from it. Well, not literally independent, that means it works by its own, but independent in the way that it is separate physically from the brain, as you can see here. It is over here and the brain is all of this part. Now, talking about the specific functions of the cerebellum, we can find that it is in charge of the motor coordination, the equilibrium, and also it is implicated in some cognitive function. It is important to take into account that in the brain everything works connected. The brain doesn't work as separate entities, but it works together. So it means that if some area is affected, immediately all of the areas are affected too. So now we are going to talk about the specific case of this woman who hasn't cerebellum in her brain. The incredible thing about this case is that the woman lived 24 years of her life without knowing the lack of cerebellum that she has. When she consulted the doctor, it was because of a headache, but she never imagined that this important part of her nervous system was missing. When the doctor realized this, he started to make her questions about her childhood, her skills, abilities, and indeed, she declared that she had many problems in her childhood because she could walk until the age of 7 years old, and she could speak until the age of 6. Because she couldn't maintain well the equilibrium. So she declared that she has many problems because of this, but despite the symptoms, she also says that she can have a really good functional life, and it doesn't matter that she hasn't cerebellum, she can continue her life very good. So this is all for this video. I really hope you enjoy it and you understand and learn a little bit about the brain and the nervous system. Bye!